In the previous lesson, you saw the basics of using the UI automation instrument. We won't dive in too much further, as doing so would really require that we spend more time talking about JavaScript. But I wanted to provide you with a more advanced example that will show you what's possible. You'll find a script in your working files directory called iMusic Automation.js. I'll load mine up and switch to the script tab, and I'll run this set of tests. So this will continue to run through, add a new element to the list, and then delete it. So really test the core functionality of our application. So we can see all of our tests passed except for one. So I can look at the specific message, and I can see, uh-oh, epic fail, you saved a Justin Bieber album. So clearly my Bieber block feature didn't work. That example should give you a little better taste for the kind of things that are possible with the automation tool. Now, one extra little tip I will show you is that if you go under the File menu and select Save as Template, you can save this setup as a custom template, which will allow you to very quickly rerun this as you need to. So I'll call this iMusic and just say Save, and I'll close Instruments, close the simulator. And usually you need to quit Xcode as well before this is visible. I'll open this back up again. And if you go up to the Scheme selector and say Edit Scheme, under Profile, there's a drop-down for a specific instrument. You can select that and select iMusic. So now when you go up to the Product menu and say Profile, it will automatically kick off your set of tests. Saving your setup as a template can be a big time saver, and you can build up a full suite of automation tests, so as you're planning to release to the App Store, you can run this full set of tests, make sure that you don't have any regression defects that have entered in, and it makes it real quick and easy to run this as you need to. Overall, UI automation is pretty cool. As we've seen in this lesson, it can be used to perform some fairly advanced automation tests. I personally still see it as a bit of a work in progress. It has quite a few rough spots, and the documentation for it is currently pretty poor. But with each new release, I've seen continual improvement. So I'm optimistic that this will become easier and more intuitive to use as time goes on.